Alright, y'all, so we're in college today. As y'all see, the whole pool, all this snow. Bruh. And now it's time to go eat at the cafeteria, even though that place is terrible. Bruh. There's not anything here right now. They had no food. Well, just gonna have to microwave, cook. It was the worst breakfast area they had down there. Y'all see this view outside? Look at this. The beauty of the room. Looks like I'm in jail. Bruh. Last class. All right, y'all see it. Let's go ahead and get a little cold start for y'all. Oh, that thing sounds good today. All right, y'all, we're in the truck now. Whew. Y'all hear that? Woo! Yeah. The snow, though, it's still everywhere. Like, oh, a Challenger. Ah, it's a V6. Another Challenger, V6, another one. I'm on, I need some V8s out here. We'll get a real one. All right, y'all, we're going up, upstairs, come on. Going up to my top penthouse suite. Bruh. Go. Ultima gone. The Chrysler 300. Hey, stay in your lane though, buddy. Hey, look, another Challenger. It's a V6, of course. Why? Let's go. Oh my God. Crazy. I'm gonna go this side. There's way too much traffic on one side. Oh my God, look at this traffic. More traffic. Bruh. I can't get away from this traffic, guys. 217. Traffic is crazy right now. Going the speed limit. It's a 40 here, and we're going like 29. Oh, what is that? You got Christmas lights on the thing? Christmas is over. Jeep. I don't think it's a track though. Left lane is all the way nice. I should have just stayed in the left lane. Anyway, my turn's coming. I'm gonna whip this thing. Yeah, I ain't whipping this thing. This thing's too heavy. Thank God. That's what I wish. Oh, it's popping a little bit too. She pops. Don't worry, she pops a little bit. Y'all ain't gotta be worried about that. There's a Porsche. Porsche's out today too. We got all the cars out today. We got the Porsches, we got the V6s. We don't have V6s. We need those gone. No EVs, no V6s around here. It's a scat. Something with a V8, finally. I asked for it, and I got it. Need to represent the V8s in my area. Oh, a motorcycle's coming. Look at the motorcycle. He's gonna pass too. I know he's going to. He's probably gonna cut up. Watch this. Never mind. He's gonna get stuck in traffic. Look at all that traffic. I need to see a Hellcat, please. Let me see a Hellcat. Oh, there goes the motorcycle. There he goes. The Porsche. I'm beating that thing easy. Bruh. It's a Porsche, you know? This traffic. It's a Hemi. Finally found a Hemi. Sounds pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It's got the Hellcat rims too. Y'all see the old Charger right there? I'm trying to go to a car wash. I'm driving like this to get to a car wash. I'm crazy. Look at the Bumblebee Mustang. The Bumblebee Mustang. Is that a V6? Sounds like a V6. Traffic everywhere. We're on the highway now. Look, another lifted truck. Another. Oh, I missed the bridge. Pickup trucks outside today. Look at all the pickups. So we're on the highway still. The worst nightmare exists. Traffic. No difference there. You always got these slow cars all over the place. But anyway, we're on the way still to the not gas station. I keep saying gas station. I'm so used to gas because it's haunted me all my life now. I should get a gap cam for the truck. I might put one on. Bruh. I'm actually being serious. I will show a gap cam with a 1,000 horsepower F150. 1,000 horsepower pull, all right? Yeah, that's the 1,000 horsepower right there. Bruh. I would never lie. Oh, a Challenger. Scat. Oh, Corvette. Corvettes too? Wow, everything's out today. See, the fun cars are on this side. They ain't on that side. That side all V6s. Like, so we're at the place. Y'all can see, we're gonna get it all clean. This thing, yeah, she's dirty. Look at this. Oh, nah. We have to get this all cleaned up properly. Cash only. We have to go to another one now. We got it. Please be a cart. Yes. Yes, it is. Thank God. It is a cart. Those wheels. Tire cleaning. All right, let's go ahead and switch this up. Look at this. Got it all the way nice and white. Bruh. Get all this pink stuff all over my truck. Ah, yes. Make it nice and... All right. Come on, let's go. All right, time to go to the next thing. Pre-soak, all done. It's time to rinse her off because we're pretty much done with all that. And then, yeah, let's go. Y'all ready? We're about to show the reveal of it all washed up in 3, 2, 1. Boom. All the way cleaned up. Y'all, we got this thing. My baby is all clean. Finally. Look at her. Oh my God, this cleaning went good. No more salty look. But she's, yeah, clean. A little bit wet, you can see. But, oh my God, tires are still dirty. But, you know, those are just mud tires, really. But look at that. Oh, I'm going to take a picture right there. That's beautiful. Well, yeah, let's get out of here. Back on the road, all cleaned up. I have not washed this thing in 2 months. That was the first wash. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh, water just fell on me from the sunroof. That's kind of funny. Stop. It's dripping. It's dripping on me, the sunroof. Oh my God, it's not gripping. This thing gets sideways. Do you know what time it is? We're about to launch for the end of the video. Ready? Here we go. Oh, she's pulling. I'm gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, like the video, bro. And subscribe, because we're on the way to 1,000 subs, you know? I mean, I need y'all, you know? I want to bring you guys with me on this journey. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.